pagkamatara. So, pero syempre mabait din siya, katulad ni daddy niya.
Bibo siyang baby and madali siyang makapick up ng mga words, ng mga emotions. Curious din siya sa mga bagay-bagay, kagaya ko. Ayun, especially ngayon na nag-1 year old na.
Feeling like a hummingbird in springs in bloom, springs in bloom, brand new.
Okay, so good afternoon to each and everyone, and welcome Isang Natalie first birthday. Alright, and now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the beautiful and adorable, our birthday celebrant,
Quite like this, the rush, the rise, the climb. Oh, right now I feel alive, 'cause every moment here is a gift. It's never felt quite like this. Felt quite like this.
Nat, happy birthday, baby! Ang wish ko sa'yo is lagi kang safe and healthy. Yun lang naman yung gusto ko. And of course, we will do everything para mabigay sa'yo lahat ng pangangailangan mo. So, gusto namin maging responsable kang bata and mapalaki ka namin na may takot sa Diyos. Sana, baby, pag napanood mo to, pag laki mo, so ma-appreciate mo yung mga effort ni mommy and daddy to make you happy. And also, kung paano ka namin alagaan. Yun lang, baby. I love you so much. And thank you for coming into my life and for completing my life as well. Thanks, baby. I love you.
Right now, it's never felt quite like this. The rush, the rise, the climb. Oh, right now I feel alive, 'cause every moment here is a gift. It's never felt quite like this. Quite like this. The rush, the rise, the climb. Oh, right now I feel alive, 'cause every moment here is a gift. Happy birthday, Nata! Like this. It's never felt quite like this.
Happy birthday, Nat. Wish ko sa'yo sana lumaki kang baka Diyos, madasalin, tapos lagi kang malusog, malayo ka sa mga sakit. Sana lumaki ka bibo, bright, smart. Alam ko smart ka, mana kay daddy, alam ko yan. Tapos, ayun, we wish you all the best in life. Nandito lang kami ni mommy and daddy to support you. I love you, Nat. I love you very much.
Never felt quite like this.